All right, first grade friends. Now, the next two slides we're going to kind of put together in the same video. This slide shows a little bit about how you might compare things so that it's fair. Um, like on field day when we had everybody line up at the same line when we did our 100-meter dash? Well, when you measure things, it's the same way. You really want to make sure that everybody is lined up on the exact same line. Take a look here. See how I have this pencil and this crayon lined up on this dotted line? If I had the pencil or the crayon off of that line, there would be a gap, and it wouldn't give me a good measurement. So whenever you're measuring, you always want to make sure that where you start is right there at the edge of what you're measuring. In this case, you can already guess, the pencil is longer than the crayon, and the crayon is shorter than the pencil. So I go ahead and practice saying that really quick. If you need to pause me, go for it. All right, I hope you did get a chance to go ahead and try that. Remember, always do the thinking yourself. That way you can make more mistakes. Okay, now we were going to talk a little bit about comparing the height of things as well. So height is a lot like length. Length goes this way, height goes this way. And this is something that kids love to do. You love to figure out how tall you are or how short you are or how many inches you are. A lot of times you can compare the height of homes, especially if they're all on the same exact elevation. So if this home is up here on a hill and a higher elevation, that's not going to work. It's going to be too tricky to compare by just using your eyes. You will need to use something to measure in that case. But in this case, both of these homes are on the exact same lot, and you can really clearly see that the house A is shorter than house B. So when we're talking about what is shorter as far as height, it's the same as length. There is a different word though. We don't say longest for how tall something is. We say tallest or taller. House B is taller than house A, or even the tallest out of house B and house A. All right. It doesn't just have to be that way. You might even take some Star Wars action figures. Yes, I have my own set. No judgments. And what you can do is you can actually put them on the exact same floor, and you can see how Kylo Ren, the scary guy in the black, is actually taller than the stormtrooper, though the white guy on the right, or I guess my right. That might be confusing. The white character and then the black character. The white character is shorter than Kylo Ren, the black character. All right? So maybe take 1 second and look at the toys you have there and see which one's taller, which one's shorter. See if you can put them in order from the tallest to the shortest. And after that, I will see you on the next video.